Okay, so what we can then do is we can have a look and see how that goes. So as again, saying, so we've got the 4 cables on this relay. So we've got the blue and the purple that go into the blue and the purple to the switch. We have the white, which is the live feed, going to the live feed to the lights, to the 2 lights here. And we have the black going into the black, and then as you can see, it's actually split off, also going to the switch for the auxiliary lights. It is a bit of a mess in there. I'll be honest with you, the only 2 cables I know that they actually do anything. I know what this one does, which is my lights. I know what that one does, my headlight. I don't know what the rest of these in here do. I've got no idea what they are. I don't really want to know. So hopefully, I know it looks a little bit messy, but it works. I'd probably recommend that I'm not doing what I do, because I didn't put any shrink wrap on there, which I probably will do now. I'll put some shrink wrap to keep it nice and protected. If you've got any questions, please do ask me. I'll be more than happy to help you out. But bear in mind, I'm not a mechanic, I'm not an expert. I'm just somebody who's managed to figure these things out with a little help from other people. So good luck, thank you, bye.